Welcome to another episode of English 101 series. And now it is about superlative and comparative. Okay, comparative degree and superlative degree. So we just jump to the types of comparative and superlative so that the explanation can be easier. Basically, there are several types, and this is some of them. Okay, adjectives with one syllable. The comparative form is large changed into larger, while the superlative large becomes largest. Okay? So one syllable is a word that is pronounced with one syllable. Syllable, right? Like large, big, small. Those are one syllable words. And then the adjective with two syllable, like narrow, narrow, two syllable. The comparative degree is that narrow becomes narrower, and superlative narrow becomes narrowest. Okay, we go back to this a little bit. Large and becomes larger. So besar jadi lebih besar. Besar jadi paling besar. Okay. Next we have adjective two or more syllable. So what happened in this adjective with two or more syllables is that they do not add er or est. Instead, they connect with more for them. Like this, for example, the comparative degree of expensive would be more expensive, not expensiver, no, but more expensive. And then when it comes to superlative form, the expensive turn into most expensive. So lebih mahal, paling mahal. Expensive. So it has three syllables, right? Yeah, so it is more than two syllables. And then we also have irregular forms in comparative and superlative degree. Like the comparative degree of good is not gooder, but better. So it is completely different. And in superlative, good becomes best. So good, better, best. Baik, lebih baik, terbaik. Okay, now we will take a look at a little bit more about the other examples. Adjective with one syllable. Syllable. I'm sorry. I don't know. Now, tall. Tall, taller, tallest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Big, bigger, biggest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Blue, bluer, bluest. Now, the example in the sentence. John is taller than Hank. Sherlock is the tallest than Enola in Minecraft. Amanda is fatter than Nadia. Jen is the fattest than Maria and Hillary. Elephant is bigger than lion. Blue whale is the biggest than elephant and lion. Now we have adjective with two or more syllable. Wait, you Google it, how to pronounce it. Okay, careful, more careful, most careful. Peaceful, more peaceful, most peaceful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Clever, more clever, most clever. Quiet, more quiet, most quiet. So yeah, it's a little confusing. Sometimes two syllable can use er. And in some cases, two syllable use more and moss. So the solution for this is that you need to read a lot about the operative and superlative lists so that you can familiarize with them. And yeah, continue. We will see these examples. You need to be more careful walking in the middle of night, in daylight. Peter is the most careful student. Living in the village is more peaceful than living in the city. The school is the most peaceful on Sunday because it is the holiday. Now, let's take a look at the irregular forms. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most. Example in sentence. Sunset is better than sunrise. Stephen is the best student. There are less participants joining the singing contest than last year. Everybody needs to prepare for the worst case scenario during disaster. Okay, see you on the next episode. Bye for now.